Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to create VPC, tier and instance on Apache CloudStack. Please see my previous video. My all server information is operating system CentOS 7.9. This is latest EPL release. Service Apache CloudStack version 4.15.1, now running latest release 4.15.2. CloudStack management server IP address and KVM server IP address, NFS server IP address. Now login using old UI, but you can use new UI. Just go to your server IP address, clone 8080/client. Now you going to new UI, but I am using old UI. Create VPC. Go to network, select VPC from drop down list. Go to network, select VPC from drop down list and then click add VPC. Name, any name you can use, description, zone, auto select, or you can select your zone if you use multiple zone. CIDR, this is local CIDR. VPC offering default, then click OK. Now I name VPC local, zone I have created one zone, CIDR, this is my local CIDR, and VPC offering default VPC offering, DNS domain name not needed, then click OK. Yes, successfully created VPC. Now my next step, create tier. Go to network, select VPC from drop down list. You can see your created VPC and go to network, select VPC. You can see your created VPC and go to action tab for configure. Go to action tab, click configure, add new VPS pop-up, name, you can use any name, tier local, network offering, this is default network offering, this is default network offering VPC network, gateway netmask, external ID, ACL, gateway, this is my gateway, netmask, this is netmask, ACL allow. This gateway must be included under my VPC, ACL allow, then click OK. Now successfully add new tier. Now I going to create instance. Go to instance tab, add instance, select ISO, click plus, add instance, select ISO, select KVM from drop down list, ISO, click next, select KVM hypervisor, click next, select a small instance or medium instance, I select medium instance. Now you can select 5GB, 20GB or 100GB or custom, any disk you can use. So I select custom 15GB, then go to next step, go to next. Affinity, you do not have any affinity groups, please continue to the next step. This is step is network, this tier local, This tier local is auto select your created network and tier, or you can create new tier using this add network and check mark and type any name. So not needed new network, then click next. You do not have any SSH key pairs, please continue to the next step. Next, review, you can review all settings, then click next. Now creating your first instance from Apache CloudStack cloud computing system. Apache CloudStack is a fully managed VPS, so you can use on your local organization. Yes, successfully task completed. Instance is running properly. This is my IP address from my network infrastructure. I see virtual router created, and this IP address is my 10.66.30.3 and my secondary storage VM 10.66.30.1 and console proxy VM 10.66.30.2 and VPC is 30.3. Now I going to open console, click console. Now I see my created instance is starting for installation process. Ubuntu 18.04. Now you can follow this step. Select English, press enter, continue without updating, select, then done, 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 done. Not needed custom storage, you can configure custom storage, not needed. Auto select, auto created all disk LVM group, done, continue. Yes, select continue. Now your name, take server name EB Ubuntu, username, take user password, confirm password, then done. Must be select install OpenSSH server, press spacebar for select and then tab, enter, done. You can select any auto installation service from here or tab, done. Now wait at least 10 to 20 minutes for complete installation process. Now installer grep. Now successfully installation done. Cancel update and select reboot. From web browser it will take many time for cancel rebooting, so I close this browser and first detach ISO. From here detach ISO, yes, detach ISO, then reboot your server VPS. Successfully rebooted this instance. Now running instance, and I try to open console. Yes, I see not fully rebooted server. Continue, rebooted this server. Wait. Now I see again successfully rebooted my server and try to log in using tech username tech and password, my created password. Yes, I see successfully login my instance, and I switch my root user using sudo option I, type your tech password. Yes, now I switch to root user, check IP address 10.0.0.7 and my gateway is 10.0.1.1. This is my tier gateway, and now I try to ping internet ping is successfully done, and I check my server version Ubuntu 18.04. all successfully done. My next tutorial, how to create Windows 10 instance on Apache Cloud Stack, and next tutorial, create domain user and login access for client user on Apache Cloud Stack. So please wait for my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.